Do not make this mistake I just made, y'all.
And on top of that, we only have 3 days to get done. Todd did his thing in here. Now it's time to go ahead and paint. He removed the toilet out of here so it'll be easier to paint. I got my handy dandy roller pen and everything ready to go. So, ooh, it's starting to dry out. Oh Lord, y'all. Oh Lord. Do not make this mistake I just made, y'all. Guess what? I done set the paint. Oh man, I set the paint in front of the heater. Now let me figure this out. All right, y'all, we are back in action. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna hit the corners. It's funny because this reminds me of coloring, y'all, and I definitely used to like to do the outlining first. How about you? So the great thing about using the same paint color on the walls as the trim, you can get messy. No, I'm just like, let me put some paint on this brush. Now let's get messy. Okay, let me get to work. To make this process a little smoother, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the doorknob. That way I don't paint on it, even though I'm not gonna lie, in the past it looked like we tried to finesse. Let me go ahead and put these screws back in here so they don't get lost. Like we tried to finesse a little bit of evidence. Maybe I can sand that off, clean it up. All right, 500 more to go. It's nothing to a big dog, like they would say. Time to put on these game changers. These things make kneeling on the floor so much easier. And guess what we like to call them? Robo knees. Laying out this protective paper is one of my favorite ways to avoid paint getting on the floor. So now that I have the paper all rolled out, of course, I'm going to go ahead and hit the corners. Might as well listen to some information about different business loans with Bay. One we're specifically looking into is the DSCR loan. Time for everybody to get their roll on. I actually love using this extension rod. I still like the typical size roller. I think it's like a 9-inch. Even though Bae probably wouldn't agree, he prefers the wider roller, while I like this one because it's a little easier to manage for me. I was having a little bit too much fun with this roller because I started noticing splatters everywhere, and that is why it's good to have a oops rag on standby. I could have also just added more paper, but hey, that's beside the point.
folks. Let's start with a great job.